Hi, my name is Kyler, and I'm here today talking about something crucial to your digital presence, but often left unchecked: managed hosting. Whether you're launching an app, a website, or a piece of software, getting it online is just the beginning. Think about it like renting office space for your business. It's where your customers find you. In the digital world, that's what hosting does for you. But in a landscape filled with complicated hosting plans and technical jargon, we at Morphed wanted to offer something simpler. That's where our managed hosting service comes in. It's not just hosting, it's an all-inclusive solution that is secure, reliable, and user-friendly. We provide you with essential features such as domain-tied email accounts, top-notch security with upgraded SSLs. But we don't stop there. To ensure your site, app, or software runs swiftly and smoothly, no matter where you're at, we back it with robust CDN service and both server-side and site-side caching. And the best part? All of this is expertly managed by our dedicated team, freeing you up to focus on what's truly important: your business. We've built this service with the intent to make the complex world of hosting transparent and accessible to everyone, regardless of your tech proficiency. And for those nonprofit organizations out there, we got something special for you too: discounted services and free hosting, no matter the software. Because at Morphed, we believe in supporting your cause and helping you make a difference. Success in the digital world needs more than just a great idea. It demands a strong, secure, and proficient platform. That's what Morphed's managed hosting service offers you. So get in touch today and let's work together to illuminate your digital footprint.